With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that find the values of a and b if x square minus 4 is a factor of ax power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus bx minus 4. So here we need to find the values of a and b if x square minus 4 is the factor of the given polynomial. So here we'll take let f of x be equal to ax power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus bx minus 4. Now here they have said that x square minus 4 is a factor. So x square minus 4 is in the form of a square minus b square. So we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we'll write it into this form. So x square minus 4 will be equal to, here a square is x square, so a will be x and b square is 4, so b will be 2. So plus 2 and x minus 2. So we can say that x plus 2 and x minus 2 are also the factors of f of x. We can write x plus 2 and x minus 2 are factors of f of x. So now we'll see the factor theorem, according to which if x minus a is a factor of f of x, then f of a will be equal to 0. So we'll use this. So now using for the first factor, that is for x plus 2, for x plus 2 factor, we can write, if we compare from x minus a with x plus 2, then a will be equal to here minus 2. So if x minus a is a factor of f of x, then f of a will be equal to 0. Thus from this we can write f of minus 2 will be equal to 0. Now we'll substitute in f of x. In place of x we'll write minus 2. So this will be a into minus 2 power 4 plus 2 into x cube it was. So this will be minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. So we'll solve this to get the equation. So here minus 2 power 4 is 16. So this will be 16a. Then minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. Then minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. And here we'll have minus 2b minus 4 equal to 0. Then here minus 16, minus 12 and minus 4 are like terms. We can add them. So this will be 16a minus 2b. When we add them, we get minus 32 equal to 0. So we can write this as 16a minus 2b equal to 32. We'll take this as equation 1. Now we'll take the next factor, that is x minus 2. So now for x minus 2 factor, a will be equal to 2. So now we can write f of 2 is equal to 0. Now in place of x, we'll substitute 2 in f of x. So we'll get this as a into 2 power 4 plus 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2b minus 4 equal to 0. Here 2 power 4 is 16, so this will be 16a. Then here we have 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Then here 2 square is 4, 4 into minus 3 will be minus 12. Then plus 2b minus 4 equal to 0. Now here we'll have 16a plus 2b, and here 16 minus 12 is plus 4, and minus 4 equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled, and we have 16a plus 2b equal to 0. We'll take this as equation 2. Now we need to solve equation 1 and 2 to get the values of a and b. So if we see that if we add these two equations, then the b term gets cancelled. So we'll write adding 1 and 2. So adding these two equations, we'll have 16a plus 16a. The b terms get cancelled, so we'll not write them, equal to 32 plus 0, that is 32. So this will be 32a equal to 32. So a will be equal to 32 by 32, which is equal to 1. So we have got the value of a. Now if we substitute it in any of the equations, we'll get the value of b. So we'll write put a equal to 1 in equation 1. We'll put it in equation 1. So equation 1 is 16a. So we can write it as 16 into 1 minus 2b is equal to 32. So this will be minus 2b equal to, we'll bring 16 ones are, that is 16 to other side. So this will be 32 minus 16. So minus 2b will be equal to 16. So b will be equal to minus 16 by 2, which is equal to minus 8. So we have got the values of a and b. Therefore, we can conclude. Therefore, the values are a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 8. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.